How would you like to learn how to make consistent commissions around the clock without having to join the next big MLM or network marketing scheme? You can simply leverage the power of automation to make money online very simply. If you look on my screen right here, as you see, I've been getting paid from this one system, every single week for the last year. Now I want to jump over to my other system. Now I've been getting paid from this system as well over the last year. Now I haven't done heavy promotion on these platforms, and in this video what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you my exact method, the exact formula that I've been using over the last 2 to 3 months to generate some residual income from home. Now implementing this method, you can easily start to earn anywhere from $50 to $100 or more per day. All you have to do is take consistent action, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. My name is Dylan DeFazio, and welcome to the Six Figure Marketers Club. In this video, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to break down the exact formula that I use to build my list while making consistent commissions from emailing my list every single day. So first things first, what is email marketing? If you're brand new and you don't know what email marketing is, all it is you're going to set up capture pages, or in our sense, we're going to have a system we're going to leverage, which is already done for us and already ready to go, which we're going to use to build our list. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to get to, email your list every single day. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be leveraging a done-for-you system. Now, what this system is set up specifically to do, it is set up to capture leads and return some initial investment. So when you go buy traffic, say you spend $50 on a solo ad, right, and you get 100 clicks to your system, which I'm going to show you how to set up here in this video, you're going to get commissions. Now inside of this system, there is 3 different income streams. So you're going to be earning from 3 different income streams, and my mentor Frank is going to walk you through how to set up your own blue collar success system. Now, if you click the link below this video, what is going to happen is we're going to take you over to the sales page. You're going to go through a couple of training videos. As you guys see here, we have the Fast Start training. It's going to show you how to set up your first income stream. So the first income stream is the Four Corners Alliance groups. That's going to be an $18 commission. Now, if we just scroll through this video a little bit, I just want to show you some of the income proof that my mentors made. Now, using this system,
overview,
as you guys see here, Frank has made over $133,000 with this one income stream. Okay, so this system is very powerful and has been around since 2015. As you guys seen, I wasn't really promoting it very heavily, but it's been earning me commissions every single week. Some weeks $210, $120. The commissions add up. And it's very, very simple to set up. You can go through and have this system set up in under an hour, ready to be earning you money. And Frank's going to show you, how to set up your first income stream. He's going to show you in step number 2 how to set up your power lead system. Now, if you don't know what the power lead system is, it is the platform which your blue collar success system is going to be ran on. So it's kind of like, if you know what Lead Pages is, or ClickFunnels, or any other landing page builder, it's very similar to that. But what it's going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to take this simple share code right here, and as long as you're a Power Lead System member, you're going to be able to go into your back office. As we see here, I can just go into my share codes, and I can just literally take this funnel and start promoting it to my business. So if I want to go over here and I want to go to websites, right, inside of the training, Frank's going to go more in depth into this. But as you guys see here, I have a whole bunch of different domains. And then with the system, you're going to get pre-done capture pages. So I'm just going to show you one of them right now. So you're going to get pre-done capture pages, very high quality the money is in, or the conversion is in the text. The text is what's going to convert the people, and Frank, I can tell you, is a master conversion. I get anywhere from 40 to 50% conversions every time I run traffic to Frank's funnel, and the Power Lead system converts like crazy. So definitely recommend the Blue Collar Success System as our method to build your list. Now, if you don't have Aweber, in the description below, there'll be a link to get a 30-day free trial of Aweber. You will want to have an Aweber account or a GetResponse account in order to build your list. So you want to have that linked up. It's very simple. I'll show you how to do it. Frank shows you how to do it in the training. But you want to be building your list, because what happens after we finish setting up our Power Lead system? Well, we're going to start sending traffic to the funnel. That's going to start building our email list. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go over to a site called Warrior Plus. Now, this is a free site that you can get access to, and this is where training products are launched. So if we go over to affiliates and we go to get links, right? And as you guys see here, not every day is a hit in the, a home run. I just recently got started back into promoting my Warrior Plus, offers. And, my first couple days I made a couple $100, and then you had a couple stale offers and things like that. Not every offer is going to convert. Not every offer is going to bring a sale. But the name of the game, as you guys see here, some of them I've sent 100 clicks to and they just didn't convert for my list. And that's completely fine, because you're going to have some that convert. There's 9 sales, 5 sales, right? So the sales will come through. The name of the game is focus, and you want to keep pushing through. My problem was I got started, probably a year back, and I just let it dwindle away. You don't want to let it dwindle away. Once you get started, build that list, consistently email to them, and it's very simple to get a product. So what you're going to do is go to affiliate links, and then you want to show all offers. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. It is a live training. This is free. This is actually what I do every single day. I buy solo ads. I send it to the Blue Collar Success System. That recuperates some profits, while building my list. And then I promote to my list these amazing products on Warrior Plus and JVZoo and things like that. So what you're going to do is, you're just going to click through. What I like to do is I like to click on launch date, see what products are brand new, and then you just want to scroll through. You want to look for a product, that's not a free product. You want to make sure, and it has, a couple hundred sales. So as we guys see here, I was denied on this one. He has pretty strict terms, which is fine. You're not going to get approved for every single one. But as you guys see here, the banger method, I haven't really promoted. I sent a couple clicks to it, but this is one that, you can get access to. It doesn't have swipes. What you want to look for is, let me just scroll down here. I'm going to find an offer that had swipes. So if we go over to secretly, as you guys see here, I got 5 sales. Now, if I open up the 5 sales, right, as you guys see here, JV email 3, JV email 1, JV email 2. So these JV emails, and I'm going to show you how to get them, they brought me commissions, right? So that's pretty cool. Not a crazy amount of commissions, but they brought me commissions. If you don't know how to write emails, they're already done for you. So what you're going to go here, you're just going to click, and if you're not approved, they're just going to say, hey, click here, approved to be, be an affiliate for this. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the JV page. Now, every offer is going to have a JV page. This is simply just a page where they're going to have all of the information for affiliates. So they're going to give you, your affiliate links. They're going to show you the funnel, what kind of commissions you're going to earn, things of that nature. If it's a brand new launch, you can get access to that, and you can earn some launch prizes. I'll actually be going over some review video, or how I do reviews of launches inside of the Six Figure Marketers Club Facebook group. So make sure you're a part of that as well. Just type that into Facebook. And then as you see here, the email swipe. So we're just going to click that. So as you guys see here, their swipes are pre-done. You can copy and paste these. What I recommend doing is reading them through, editing them a little bit, make them sound like they're coming from you. Don't just, cold copy and paste them. But definitely they're pretty much done for you. All you got to do is just edit, tweak it a little bit. It doesn't take very much time, and they do convert. That's pretty much it, guys. That's all I've been doing. Again, first link in the description is a blue collar success system, which you want to go through. You want to set up, go through all the training videos, go through everything. So if we go back, once you go through the capture page, you're going to land on the Four Corners video. You want to make sure that you click on the continue button after this video is complete. That's going to bring you to the setup page. Now, this page is very important. I recommend bookmarking this page so you don't lose it. This is where you're going to get access to all your training, and there's traffic training, and then we go inside of the strategy. So the pretty cool thing that I like about Frank is he gives you a worksheet. He's going to show you, as you guys see here, right? He's going to show you how to how to track everything, how to see, are you growing every single day? That's the name of the game. You want to stay consistent. You want to be growing every single day. So I recommend downloading the worksheet and, just go through, take action, get in touch with me, shoot me a message on Facebook. If you guys want to get in touch with me, I'll open my Facebook up here. So all you got to do is go to Dylan DeFazio online, and that's where you're going to see my Facebook. You can shoot me a friend request or anything like that. But definitely, guys, just take action, go through that, set up your blue collar success system. If you haven't already, grab AWeber 30-day free trial, start building your email list, and then grab some Warrior Plus offers and start sending those emails out every single day to that new email list that you built. And this is going to be the best way to make money online from home. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Dylan DeFazio with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.